Hey guys, so today's activity is mixed equation practice. And the first thing you should do is check out the warm-up. There's 4 questions. Make sure that you show all of your work. You don't receive credit if you don't show the inverse operations on both sides. Go ahead and pause the video now to try these 4 problems. Then press play to check your answers. All right, let's check out your answers. The inverse of plus 8 is minus 8. Remember, you want to be looking to see what is happening to the variable y. So it was plus 8. Opposite or inverse is minus 8. Make sure you do that on both sides. If I have 8 and I subtract 8, it becomes 0. And 28 minus 8 is 20. Looking at the second problem, k minus 33 equals 55. What's happening to k? Minus 33. So what's the inverse? Plus 33 on both sides. Notice that I'm lining up these digits, and that'll make them easier to either add or subtract. If I owe you 33, then I give you 33, I owe you nothing now. That would have just been k minus 0, or just k. And 55 plus 33 was 88. The third problem, 6j equals 42. Remember, when they're stuck together like that with nothing in between, it means they're married. They're married, they're stuck together. Married, multiply. So what's the opposite? The opposite of times 6 would be divide by 6. And think, the opposite of marriage is divorce. So they're getting divorced by 6 or divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1j, which is just the same as j. And 42 divided by 6 is 7. Last problem. H divided by 2 equals 9. Remember, a fraction means division. What is the opposite of divide by 2? Times 2 on both sides to balance your equation. These 2's are going to end up canceling to just one h. And 9 times 2 is 18. All right, we're going to move on to the next page. We're going to be completing pages 1, 3, 4, and 8. In case you missed that, that's page 1, 3, 4, and 8. 1 was your warm-up. 3 and 4 is the classwork practice. And 8 is the independent practice. So notice this section here. It has all 4 operations: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So you want to make sure you remember how to set these up. So remember that equals 1, 1m, and on the other side here, 5. R divided by 7 equals 11. Remember, times 7 times 7. And these 7's will cancel to just 1r, or r. 11 times 7 is 77. Let's try one each from the bottom. J plus 7 is 58. The opposite would be minus 7. And minus 7. My line for my equal sign. That just leaves J. These cancel to 0. 58 minus 7 is 51. And one last one on this page. P minus 4 equals 62. The inverse of minus 4 would be plus 4. Do you need to show your work? Absolutely. No work, no credit. 64 plus 2. I'm sorry, 62 plus 4, 66. Okay, so you're going to finish up these other ones. So you've got 2 there and 2 at the bottom. Then you're good to go on to level 2. It's the same thing, just slightly bigger numbers. After you finish with that, there are optional challenges. Again, optional, you don't have to. You can skip over those other items. And then independent work is the last one on the agenda. So this is 6 problems, mixed operations again. Pay really close attention to what the sign is and do its inverse. Make sure you show it on both sides for full credit. All right, guys, submit the work when you're all set. Bye.